Well, it's so easy to be the latest atrocity, but it always seems to be a penis that I see. You'd be surprised to discover my level of empathy. I've gone from prey to victim. Don't make me act that way. Don't make me act that way. Don't make me, don't make me, don't make me. I'm just saying I stand spread, stitched up like a baseball head. She won't play with my way right now. Now taking the body, paper, body, I still ain't thinking good. I am so sleepy, please don't kill me.
I woke up this morning with a bad hangover, and my penis was missing again. This happens all the time, it's detachable. This comes in handy a lot of the time. I can leave it home when I think it's going to get me in trouble, or I can rent it out when I don't need it. But now and then I go to a party, get drunk, and the next morning I can't, for the life of me, remember what I did with it. First I looked around my apartment and I couldn't find it, so I called up the place where the party was. They hadn't seen it either. I asked them to check the medicine cabinet, cause for some reason I leave it there sometimes, but not this time. So I told them if it pops up to let me know. I called a few people who were at the party, but